as a growing university, we take AI very seriously. And this is manifested by several things, basically. Firstly, we integrate AI into the curriculum in several majors, and also we join and wins many AI competitions. And we also have Center of Excellence that focusing on making AI, making softwares for petroleum and geothermal explorations by using AI. It's called Gaia. So we take AI very seriously, and we know what the future would need. That's why we focus in AI.
I envision the youth that possess AI skills would be first, it will be very beneficial to their future careers, because we know that AI has been disrupting every businesses, and if they know AI, if they know machine learning, data science, they can have a good career in any career that they choose. Secondly, we know that it's a growing field. They can contribute to the development of Indonesian economy by understanding and having the ability to implement AI and data science.
Collaborative program between Schlumberger and Universitas Pertamina. The AI Academy is a Schlumberger global initiative designed for university and industry professionals to upskill their digital competency in energy sectors. And I'm more excited to also inform you that Schlumberger Indonesia is the pioneer of this global initiative. And this is the first of its kind globally. Please give a big round of applause for all of us.
For the last 2 years, we've been developing 2 softwares for Pertamina. The first is Clearton. This is a cloud-based seismic processing software built by our researcher in the Center of Excellence, Geoscience, Artificial Intelligence, and Advanced Computing. So the software has been used in Pertamina and used cloud technology. The second software that was developed in Universitas Pertamina is Pertare. Pertare is a passive seismic software that is being used for geothermal exploration activities. So with that experience, we are planning to bring those experience from our lecturers to the next 6 weeks to the 30 selected participants.
For the IPA, Indonesian Drone Association, we are the industry representative in Indonesia. So we represent the upstream companies and all the, we also have the associate members, which is all the supporting companies for the oil and gas industry. We have, as for today, we have 31 company members and 89 associate members, but Devan Rashid is actually the chairperson for the associate members committee of the IPA as well. And we have 400 professionals as the IPA member. And what we do in the IPA is, of course, we on a daily basis, we always work collaboratively with all of the stakeholders in the Indonesian oil and gas upstream.
My motivation, because previously I already worked on my thesis research with my lecturer. It's actually a collaborative research about machine learning in a drilling operation in petroleum engineering field. So my motivation is to develop my skill, because previously I already know the basic skills that we need to develop the machine learning in the oil and gas industry. And secondly, I also want to get learning and networking in AI Academy.
We all know that Schlumberger is the most innovative company in technology, and by joining AI Academy, I think I can improve my skill. And from the lecture and from the course, I see that AI Academy is a really good event for me to networking and have more insight about artificial intelligence.
What is your expectation after you join AI Academy?
Of course, the first one is I want to improve my skills in artificial intelligence, especially in oil and gas field. Secondly, is I want to get an internship opportunity because from joining the AI Academy we could get the opportunity, so I will do the best in this AI Academy program.
And welcome to this inauguration of our AI Academy. It's the first of its kind, as Paulini has said just now. In fact, you're very lucky. We are in Indonesia very lucky. Initially, this was going to go to Saudi King Fahd University, and Asif and Benny leaped ahead to make sure it comes first to Indonesia. And thank you very much. And that's because of the close collaboration with the University of Pertamina. Thank you to the team, and thank you to your team, Pak Husni, as well, because we managed to put this through, and I believe to be a very professional program in the space of 2 to 3 months. Whereas King Fahd and the Saudi universities are still talking about it. So well done. Great job, team.
The story of AI began in 1950 by mathematical scientist Alan Turing in his writing entitled Computing, Machinery and Intelligence, issued a statement that raised the spirit of AI development. Turing argued that if human able to solve problems and make decisions based on the information arrangement available, why couldn't machine do the same? The story of Alan Turing was filmed in the imitation game, how he cracked the Enigma chipper, so that he was able to speed up the war 2 years early and save 14 million lives. In a world that it become completely digital, from books to health and to service in government, it is felt that almost all sectors are affected by digital revolution. The use of AI in the oil and gas world will be worth more than $2.85 billion by 2022.
We are very honored to be part of Schlumberger AI Academy pilot. For the next 6 weeks, the experts from Schlumberger, Universitas Pertamina and Pertamina will be working together to train 30 young talented participants in the field of artificial intelligence in oil and gas. These 30 individuals consist of 19 active students and 11 alumni coming from geoscience and engineering background. We hope that the knowledge and skills they gain from AI Academy will be beneficial for their future career development.
I wish that AI Academy will grow nationally, so we will have more students involved, more lecturers involved, more professionals involved, and more collaborators involved.
I wish that the participants of AI Academy would learn a lot of useful things, the AI skills and knowledge from this event, and they can implement it, and they learn a lot from the experts from Schlumberger and also from Pertamina University. And lastly, I hope that more of the participants can be accepted to the internship program at Schlumberger.